Alright, hello. We are here today to do another video. Today I am going to upgrade my PlayStation 5 tool set that I need, because you'll have a screw in there. I have my PlayStation memory that I'm going to use to upgrade. And then I have this Evolution 8 terabyte external drive that I'll use to store games and things like that. So that's what we're going to do. See where I'm almost full on my regular memory, and then if you look, I have my M.2 SSD storage, which that's what's internal, and so that